Spencer, what are we doing tonight?
Going to a car meet?
Is about to go crazy?
I hope so.
I hope so. We're getting his car washed right now. The black smoke right in the back. Hey, where are we going now?
Car show next.
Our show next. Let's go.
Seaway.
Finally got it painted? Huh? Finally got it painted? Oh, is it wrap or paint? Looks kind of like wrap.
I think it is.
It's a Mozzie. Hey, dude. Okay, if I had a 350, I'd put a carbon hood on it. You see that?
It's like British racing green.
Exactly. It's what Sac.
That's a clean ass color. Yeah.
Yo, look at this. Oh. I love carbon, bro.
Me too.
Carbon's so nice. Hey, Tesla has a red emblem. Every Tesla has a red, have to have a red emblem.
That's like
Yeah, Rotoform.
the ones that he said.
Oh, R8. The single turbo? That's a big ass turbo. It's a big single turbo. It's an actual 13B, except for the LS. Alright, this gotta be the cleanest freaking like interior on any car I've ever seen. Except for this one Supreme one that has a bunch of Supreme items in it. That was the only thing, but dang, look at all that.
I know, that's crazy.
Red. This is sick. There should be a spot by me. Hey, Supra. Hey, the Corolla. Look at the lights on the Corolla. I actually really like the lights on the Corolla. The new Corolla.
Camera's actually looking good.
Yeah, the cameras look good too. Oh, this is the one that you were saying it's not nice. I like the color. It's like a color shift blue, but it's not like super color shift.
Yeah.
I kind of like it. I kind of mess with these wheels, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what they are, but they kind of nice.
Someone's exhaust.
Maybe it did, maybe it did. I think it's cool there, bro. Super tough. Hey, it's my car. But nicer. Oh wait, no it's not. It's not in my model. Hey, it's my car, but don't have screw holes in it. Damn, but you can see the accent. Wonder what it's for? Is it drifting? Is that what it's for? Or maybe just really low?
It's so fucking low. Like,
Is that why?
you have to cut it on the
Damn.
Holy shit, what the
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, this meat's so big, we haven't gotten to the other side yet. It's nice Mark 5, the Jetta, I believe. Look at this Viper. This looks nice.
Hey, Spence. Fucking that was like fixing one up for a buddy. You wanna go for a spin? Sure. Look, as soon as he pulled out of his road, he fucking fishtails the piss out.
What's up with the
Hey,
interior though?
What's in? Kind of roll cage.
Kinda interesting, yeah. Hold on this side. Look at this big old wing, bro. Like, that's a big wing.
Carbon.
Big wing.
And it's fucking.
Big wing gang.
Trunk is carbon too.
Big wing gang. Jesus. Alright guys, so there you go. We're actually heading home now. Well, actually we're gonna go to Target first. But that's gonna be concluding of that meet. Yeah, it gets crazy at those meets in Sacramento, man. And it was getting so rowdy, we kind of just said, let's dip, because fireworks were going off every minute or so, and people were just burning out crazy. So it was fun and all, but woo, crazy. Hey, see you guys next time on the next video. Peace.